Dr. Roni, tell me about your retreat.
Well, I do this retreat on Martha's Vineyard, for people like you, actually, high professionals who work in the industry, corporate entity. And, a lot of times what happens is they feel a lot of inflammation, they feel brain fog, and I do a retreat based on longevity mostly, but I also treat people with chronic illness. A lot of times what happens is you just feel like you just need to get away and get healthy, just like I need to feel healthy. Sometimes I need to get away. So our retreat is full of modalities and innovative treatments that no one can find in one place. All over the world, sometimes you can go, but we have hyperbaric chambers, photobiomodulation, we do IV therapy, we do all kinds of things like OSSI machines and, herbology we do. And also we do a great detox, it's from my book, 21 Pounds in 21 Days, but it stems not just from the weight. A lot of people come now for chronic illness, even cancer, Lyme disease, autoimmune disease. I've been doing this for over 25 years, and I think now that we see that this really works for a lot of people. Why? Number one, it helps with your nervous system, gets that cortisol levels down. And when it gets the cortisol levels down, and you can take a deep breath and concentrate on nothing but your health in a place like Martha's Vineyard, you have everything.